Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So today I'm actually going to be testing out a new hair tool. So this one is from Ellesye. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But this is their purple tool that is a 2-in-1 hair straightener and curler. I am so excited to try this out. I actually opened this up already. And I did try like a couple of sections, but I haven't really tried it that much. So I'm super excited to do kind of like a first impressions and give you guys my honest opinion about this hair tool. So this is actually only $47 on Amazon. By the way, this video is sponsored by Ellesye. So thank you so much, Ellesye, for sponsoring today's video. You guys know that regardless, I am going to be completely honest with you guys. And I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about this hair tool. Okay, so let's open this up. By the way, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I actually am doing Vlogmas right now. So I've been uploading videos every single day in the month of December, and I'm gonna do it until the 25th of December, until Christmas. So I hope you guys like this Vlogmas. If you are liking it so far, make sure you subscribe, and I have a giveaway coming soon, so you want to be subscribed and stay tuned because it's gonna be a good one. Also follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love. I'm going to show you guys what comes with the straightener. So you get a couple of things actually. This was hiding in the bottom. I didn't notice this when I opened it, but wow, it brings a tooth comb. Nice. It also brings like a pouch to put the straightener in here. It brings a glove. It also brings one clip, an alligator clip. Super nice. And this brings a lot of stuff. This is exciting. And it brings a brush. I can use this to detangle my curls before I straighten it. And of course, the hair tool. The cord is a pretty good size. It has a couple different heat settings, so from 265 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So it can get very hot. I probably won't do 450, I might just do 400. It has a swivel cord. This is very user friendly, very easy to use. Power button, up and down buttons to put the heat settings up and down. Right here, you can either keep it like this, locked, to curl your hair, or you can open it, unlock it, and use it as a straightener. I will say this is a very big hair tool. I feel like this is almost the size of like the Dyson AIRWRAP, which is also pretty big. So here's the GHD Platinum Plus, and then here's the Ellesye. As you can see, it's pretty big. So here's the Dyson AIRWRAP with the curling barrel, and here's the Ellesye hair tool. So it's a little bit smaller than the Dyson AIRWRAP. So I'm gonna turn it on, and it's warming up to 265, but I already know that's not gonna be enough for me, so I'm gonna do 350, and then I'll do 400. This is me without product on my hair. So I'm gonna add the Prep Rally spray. By the way, it warmed up already a while ago, so it warms up very quickly. I talk about this all the time. I really like this heat protectant, and it leaves my hair super shiny, very soft. It detangles my hair. It's perfect for like right before your blowout, right before putting heat on your hair. I'm actually gonna use the brush that came with the hair tool to detangle this section. It actually feels super gentle on my hair. So I'm gonna do this big section. I'm gonna use my comb to kind of like hold the hair. I feel like it didn't feel too gentle on my hair on the ends. I want to try another section, and I might do a curl as well. I'm gonna detangle my hair. This is a pretty big section, so let's see how this works on bigger sections. This doesn't get hot, which is nice. So before I put it up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, I want to do a curl. So there's two different ways that you can use this to curl your hair. You can use this as a regular straightener, like flipping the hair tool, or you can lock it and kind of use it as a wand. So first I'm going to use it as like a straightener. So I'm going to grab the hair, flip the hair tool, and slowly bring it down. Okay, that's a very nice curl. That is beautiful. Oh my god, that's very nice. And it's like a looser curl. It's kind of like a wave. So now I'm gonna lock it and do another section like if I'm using a wand. So I'm just gonna wrap the hair around the barrel, around the hair tool. I'm gonna leave it there for a little bit. Woo! That was dumb. I shouldn't have done that. So it gets super hot. It literally turns into a curling wand. So don't touch the hair tool. You can touch the tip, but not the outside of the hair tool. Okay, I'm gonna release the curl and let's see what type of curl I can get. I think it's gonna be more of a wave, but let's see. Yeah, it's definitely more of a wave. It's kind of like a loose wave. So if you're into that, great. I kind of like this one more. It's beautiful. This one is more loose for sure. But yeah, I am going to unlock this again and let's put this up to 400. So it warms up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. By the way, it warms up very quickly. I would say it doesn't even take a minute to completely warm up. So that's nice. Okay. I'm scared to burn my ear. Yeah, I like 400 more. I feel like for my hair type, 400 is perfect. By the way, isn't this sweatshirt so adorable? I got it from Just Fab. I didn't even realize that they had so many cute things on their website. And this is actually straightening my hair super quickly. I'm gonna time the other side so you guys can kind of have an idea of how long it would take me to do all my hair. But so far, it's actually super quick. And I like how you can kind of like shape the ends a little bit. Okay guys, so here's the first side. It looks so nice and shiny. And my hair is super, super soft. Oh my god, look at that shine. It looks so nice. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side and I'm gonna start timing it. Alright guys, I am all done. So this is what my hair looks like. I think it looks very, very nice. And it's super shiny, very sleek. It took me about 25 minutes to do this side. So it will take me about 50 minutes to do all my hair, which is not bad because it does usually take me a little bit longer to straighten my hair straight from curly hair. But I do really like this hair tool and I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I really like how my hair turned out. It looks super sleek. One last thing that I want to do is add a little bit of this Kerastase oil that I have been obsessed with lately. Literally just a little tiny bit. Like that's all you need, just a little bit. And I like to apply this on my hair. It smells so good. I like to put this on my hair after I blow it out or after I straighten it, just to add even a little bit more of shine, even though I feel like it already has a lot of shine. But it also helps to get the flyaways a little bit more flat. So yeah guys, my hair is super flat. Like, it's crazy. This hair tool is pretty impressive. I really did like it. I feel like my hair looks so shiny, so sleek. And so the before and after is pretty drastic in my opinion. So I mean, if you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna link it down below. Again, thank you Ellesye for sponsoring today's video. I really like the curls that you get with this hair tool, and I think that this would be a very nice Christmas gift because it's so affordable and it gives you like a really nice straight smooth look. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also stay tuned for tomorrow because I have another video coming up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.